Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and when it comes to a good sports bra, I'm always looking for comfort and support. But when it comes to these sports bras, I didn't have to choose between either of those because I get it all. These are sports bras from YEYELE. What I love is, first of all, comfort. The fabric is soft and stretchy. It's zip up in the front with a functional zipper, but not just any zipper, because there is a flap over the top and bottom, meaning it covers the hardware, making it extremely comfortable. They come with removable pads, very easy to take out if you want without padding or if you want the padding. Now I'm wearing a size large. I consider myself to be small chested but wide, and these have been very supportive and comfortable. They're not moving around on me, they're not lifting or shifting, the straps are wide. I like the mid part around my chest under my arms because it's very wide there. It never narrows down. It does not budge. I appreciate the quality of the fabric, the support, and the stretch. It's soft. I like the fact that it has the removable pads, so if I want padding, I have it, and if I don't, they're easy to take out. That functional front zipper with the thoughtful flap that protects it on the top and bottom is a game changer. I appreciate how easy these are to put on and the fact that the colors are fun and bright. So if you're looking for a sports bra that's going to give you comfort and support, that has a thoughtful functional zipper in the front with a protective top and bottom, look no further. These are the sports bras for you. And that is my point of view.